10 years ago, my friend and I, Joe Derigo, sat down at a kitchen table with a stack of Post-it notes. On each one, we wrote down one thing that every child needs to grow and thrive. Things like stability, nutrition, education, safety. And when we looked at all those notes together, it became clear. What every child needs is a family. That moment was the beginning of the hope effect. You see, we realized that millions of orphaned and vulnerable children around the world were growing up in orphanages, separated from the love, stability, and belonging that only a family can provide. So in 2015, we launched the Hope Effect to change that. That November, I shared our vision with the Becoming Minimalist community for the very first time. And I was so happy and excited and even surprised at the level of generosity and support that came from the community. Now, 10 years later, I am equally amazed at what we've been able to accomplish together. Nearly 450 children have been welcomed into loving families, experiencing the love, joy, and hope we envisioned for them 10 years ago. We have expanded into 11 locations across 4 countries in Latin America and Southeast Asia, including our newest partnership launched just weeks ago in Thailand. We've gone from 2 friends at a kitchen table to a team of US-based and international staff who are carrying this work forward in their communities. And what started with knocking on doors and building relationships has grown into governments inviting us to help them build family-based systems of care. In fact, we already have another expansion opportunity waiting for us early next year. Because of you, the story is changing, communities are changing, lives are changing. But the need is still great. Millions of children around the world are still waiting for the love and security of a family. And that's why we're not stopping here. On December 2nd, we'll celebrate Giving Tuesday, a global day of generosity. This year, in honor of the Hope Effect's 10-year anniversary, our goal is to raise $250,000 so even more children can experience the love and hope of a family. And thanks to a generous group of donors, every gift will be matched dollar for dollar up to $125,000. So in honor of our 10 years, would you consider giving $10 or any amount that you can to help transform a child's life? Your $10 will be doubled to $20. Every gift of any amount makes a difference in the life of a child, and together we can make an even greater impact. 10 years ago, the Hope Effect started with Post-it notes and a dream around a kitchen table. Today, it's changing lives around the world. So let's make sure the next 10 years bring hope to even more children. Because together we're changing the way the world cares for orphans, because every child deserves a family.